In our second hydroponics product review, we're going to be reviewing the Hydromerce grow tub. So let's have a look inside. The lid comes with two holes. We've got some quite substantive growing instructions. We've got a bag of growing nutrients. We've got some rock wool cubes with some seeds. We've got some pH strips. We've got some stirrers, a measuring cup, two baskets and some pH down. So we'll have a quick read of the instructions and we'll put it all together. After reading through the growing instructions, I must commend Hydromerce on some of the most comprehensive instructions that I've read in any of the hydroponic systems that I've bought. They spend a lot of time going into details about pH, and this is a vital component in hydroponics. So step one is soak the rock wool in water. Step two is fill the tub with water. I've already pre-filled it, and we're just going to fill it to about there, so the basket is just soaking in the bottom of the water. Step three is feed the water with the solution. So it says 50 ml, so it's two of these. And then check the pH level. So I've already put some water in a glass. And my tap water comes out about 8, sadly. It's at this point that Hydromerce recommend that you use the pH reducer to reduce your water down to 5.5 to 6.2. So I'll just add a couple of drops of this pH reducer, and be very careful as it is acid, so be mindful of your skin. So I've added a couple of drops of the pH reducer, and we're lower 7s at the moment. Once your pH level is adjusted, all ready to peel off the label, put the lid on the tub, place in your baskets, put in your rock wool cubes, and then it recommends pushing down and placing in a couple of seeds, and you're all ready to go. If you're wondering what the black plastic is, in the notes it says advanced tips. If you notice a lot of green algae growing in the water, try using aluminium foil to stop light hitting the white box. So I thought I'd leave that black plastic on. So I've added the seeds, so it's all up and running. So I've put a link in the description, so if you do want to try this out, because I think it's a great introduction to hydroponics. It's a quick and easy kit for £15. Even if you're a student, put it on the windowsill and grow your own lettuce. But don't just put lettuce in there, you can put tomatoes, other vegetables. Depending on when you're watching, I'll put a link to how they grow. So I'll be following the progress over the next 40 to 50 days. So do check back soon.